There is nothing worse than coming home to find out that you've been robbed. Watch as this thief gets a much-needed surprise of his own. This girl was trying to break into this property in the evening. She's even seen trying to figure out her security code. This video shows an intruder at 3:14 in the morning. A man came into this patio looking for something and then went to the back gate, but the gate was thankfully locked. Why in the world did this delivery driver steal a package from this home? We'll likely never know.
Fuck yourself, please.
Take a look at this thief doing a remarkably poor job at disguising himself from the doorbell camera. Take a look at this video of a man breaking into this guy's house to take some sugar.
What's up, man? Can I help you? Huh? What? Can I help you? I'm your neighbor from across the street. I'm just needing some sugar for my coffee this morning. I don't have any sugar. You said you did what? Sugar for my coffee. I can't help you with that. Huh? I'm not home right now. I'm at work. Okay, but you got sugar in the house, right? Yeah, but I'm at work right now. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll get it. Hey! Yo! This dude just kicked my door down! Yo! Hey! Hey, get up out of my house, bro! I got it. No! Why you kick my stuff down? I can't drink bland coffee. Yo! Hey, I'm about to turn you in. You going to jail!
This shocking doorbell video shows a maniac on a motorcycle doing a drive-by. He then circles back and starts shooting again. A disturbing home invasion was caught on camera. A homeowner from New Jersey was living with her 2 daughters that were upstairs sleeping. Little did they know, someone had entered their house with a creepy mask on. They heard rustling coming from downstairs and created a barrier, then called the police. The uploader of this video from Huntington Park, California, says that people stole her neighbor's car from this parking structure at 5:50 in the morning on November 20th of 2022.
Is it a push button? How'd they get it started so fast?
It's a 2015 white Kia Optima with the license plate reading 8PJF507. Take a look at this extremely weird, transparent object caught on Ring camera in Missouri. This delivery driver takes a photo of the delivered food on the front porch, then pretends to press the doorbell. She then runs away with the food without a care in the world.
Then she pretends to press the doorbell. I was watching the delivery happen on my phone.
Hey! That's my food!
I started recording her.
Give me my food! What the oh my god! What the freak?
There's no way this just happened.
This Ring camera footage shows a thief stealing a bike from this doorstep. It took place in Sale, Manchester. This guy was just seconds away from stealing this bike, but had to run away when the homeowner came charging out of their house after him. This guy was caught cheating on his girlfriend in this doorbell footage.
I'm at her house, but you know, I ain't worried about that shit, man. I ain't really trying to deal with it.
It's crazy. Like, how dumb can you be? You know I have this camera right here.
Come on with that, you feel that? I'm gonna get in trouble. I never get caught, man. You know me.
This guy was caught on camera stealing this homeowner's umbrella, of all things. What was he going to do with that? At 4 in the morning, this thief walks up to this vehicle and opens the door, and then rummages around for some valuables. This lowlife was caught on camera walking up to this person's car door to see if it was unlocked. Thankfully, it was not. In this video, posted by WESH2 News on May 10, 2019, a 6th grade girl who understandably didn't want to be identified experienced the scariest moment of her young life. The girl describes the creepy man as older and in a black vehicle holding a camera and smiling at her, asking her to come over to his car.
He's like old looking and he has a camera in his hand and he's smiling at me and telling, like with his finger telling me to come here.
CCTV footage captured the girl running for her life as the creepy man followed her. The girl's mother suggested to parents to talk to their kids about strangers because it may not seem like it can or will happen to them, but it definitely can, so be prepared.
Talk to your kids. Let them know stuff like this can happen. You may not think it can or will, but it does happen.
This uploader says that for months, this man was continually ringing their doorbell in the middle of the night and tried to get into their house. In this video posted by Normal Bob Smith on December 31st, 2011, but filmed on March 6, 2009, the uploader stated that this creepy man walked through the park 3 times and knew which direction he was coming from. The creepy man was filming these kids, as you can see. He's pretending to be on the phone and in the other hand has a camera hidden in a water bottle. How he got the camera in there, I'm not sure. But the kids did begin to notice the man and looked incredibly creeped out. One of the kids called him out and the man walked away.
No, you're really awkward. I hope you know that.
I feel terrible for those kids and can only imagine how uncomfortable they must have felt. That's disgusting. The uploader of this video says that this crook decided to steal their next-door neighbor's skateboard. This uploader writes, "Vagrant comes onto property and steals a bike. Guy comes into my front yard, prays to my Jesus statue, then steals my son's bike." Keep your gates closed. Look at this robber stealing from this house while the homeowner was inside. This TikToker posted this video and said, "Man walks into home. Posting this for my neighbor. This man walked into her house today at 11:15. He ran out after he saw her and got scared. This type of thing doesn't happen in our neighborhood, so it took everyone by surprise. If he looks familiar or anyone has any information, it would be greatly appreciated." This video shows a hit and run occurring on August 8th at 3:55 p.m. It also sounds like there may have been a second crash around the corner. Take a look at this unsettling woman looking around for a key to this place underneath the doormat. This drughead is shown barging into this house while people were relaxing with their kids. This strange guy thought his wife was at this uploader's house. But what's with all of those keys? And what is in his back pocket?
You off? Yes, sir. Out. Yeah, you bring her. Yeah, I just want to take my wife back. I'm not sure if she's here.
What?
I want to take her back.
Take who back? Go ahead. You've been keeping me up all night. You with the trucks over there?
Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Anyway, go.
Nah, man. Hey. Nah, man. I'm calling the cops, man. End service. Yo.
Hi. We'll be right there.
We'll be right there.
This crook was caught on Ring camera stealing someone's outdoor Christmas light projector. This video of a drunk driver totaling a Corvette C8 is shocking.
You are currently being recorded.
This video shows a hit and run occurring in broad daylight. A clip from Sacramento, California shows this shirtless creep pacing around this front door. This woman was caught on camera walking up to this house and stealing a package from the front doorstep. This jacket-wearing woman was recorded stealing a package and some mail from this house in the middle of the day. This creeper gets caught trying to peek into this car.
Hey, what are you doing? Get away from here. Somebody creeping in the yard. Look, checking the vehicle.
In this video, a guy in Seattle, Washington stuffs parcels from this house into a bag he's carrying and then walks away. Look at this extremely creepy guy walking around this parking area at night, looking in several vehicles.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, get the out of here, you fucking bastard! Get the out of here!
This guy in Carmichael, California was caught entering this vehicle in the middle of the night and stealing some items. This woman hops out of her truck to steal some things, and it was caught on video. Take a look at this Grinch stealing some Christmas presents off this doorstep. This guy shows up to this house and proceeds to steal a Ring doorbell camera at 5 in the morning. This video shows a Florida pest control man attempting to enter this house for some inexplicable reason. At around 2:57 a.m., this man climbed this 8-foot fence to steal a power washer. In Fair Oaks, California, a man was caught acting quite strangely in front of this house.
Everybody.
These burglars broke into a GMC and stole several items in the dead of night. A random guy walked up to this porch and stole the uploader's cousin's bike. Thankfully, they chased him down and got the bike back shortly thereafter. This man was caught trying to steal from this TikToker's sister.
Get the f off my goddamn porch, bitch. Oh, hell no.
Then got the nerve to zoom away.
This TikToker posted this video of a man stealing their neighbor's scooter. This guy was caught on camera hooking the neighbor's power to his house from their building.
It's a problem. Just had a bad storm and power went out. Turns out I didn't pay the bill. It was late. If I could use your extension cord from your garage, plug it up from your building to my place until I get paid Friday or a week from Friday. I'll let you know, but just don't unplug the cord. I don't want my wife to think I can't pay the bills. So I'll shut your garage, but I just want to make sure that this was going to be long enough to reach to my house over there. So please don't follow the law or nothing like that. I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm just going to plug up one extension cord to your building to my house, and then I'm going to have like a couple 6-ways off of that so everybody can be happy at home. Appreciate the internet. We'll have your yard mowed next week. Please don't get me in trouble. We're good, and I'll make this up to you. Thank you. And I'll shut your garage door right now.
To make matters worse, he also went into the neighbor's garage to get their extension cord. This man robbed a house and then proceeded to steal the homeowner's Ring camera. pathetic woman walks up to this person's house and steals their $1 broom. These two ladies were caught stealing a doorbell camera. One of the most bizarre doorbell videos you'll see in a while shows a man walking up to a stranger's house, then starting to sing a song before trying to steal some packages.
I've been walking. I've been walking with my face turned to the sun. Whoa, yeah. Weight on my shoulder and a bullet in my gun. Yeah. Oh my God. From my my
I'm finna call the police on you.
I was just singing a song. You look nice, like a microphone. That's all. I'm sorry. You gotta call the cops.
This guy is shown coming out of the woods trying to steal the homeowner's slides.
12 seconds later.
Not today.
A man wanted to steal this uploader's air conditioner, but ended up getting caught instead. Watch as this total creep walks right up to this property and steals the Ring camera. This guy creeps onto this property and steals a pair of shoes that were left outside. The uploader of this clip says, "This person was really lucky that we gave him a warning to get off our property." This was at 3 in the morning. Watch this pathetic guy stealing from this house while wearing a hoodie as their only disguise. This guy with long hair got into someone's car late at night and stole their valuables. This uploader says that he finally found out who was stealing his packages, thanks to a recording by his Ring doorbell camera.
Everything's fine. Excuse me, how you doing?
For God's sake, you can't hit my pocket, buddy.
Surprisingly, it turns out it was none other than his Amazon delivery driver. This Karen was caught stealing some Amazon packages in Lawndale, California. She doesn't even realize that she's being filmed. Take a look at these people caught on doorbell camera stealing some Amazon packages from this home. The uploader of this clip says, "I had to share the glory of catching a package thief in action because she stole a bait package with 2-week-old dirty diapers." This video shows an Amazon driver allegedly walking away with several packages that were dropped off by another carrier. The uploader of this video writes, "When our Ring camera catches us arguing over Amazon packages."
Mine.
No, it's
No, it's
mine.
mine.
It's mine. Thank you. He says it's his. I bet you it's... Oh, it is yours. Oh, no, it's mine. You can't have it.
Mine.
No,
you can't come in then.
It's mine. I live
It cost
here.
you that.
Bullshit.
Watch this incredibly lazy Amazon delivery driver toss the package instead of simply placing it on the porch. This Amazon delivery driver has a bad day when he drops off someone's packages and then trips and falls down the stairs. At nearly 4 in the morning, these 3 scumbags were caught stealing from this truck.
Hey, you motherfucker, step back here!
However, they're not able to steal for long, as the homeowner eventually walks outside and chases them away. A weirdo was caught on camera peeking into the window of this house, not even aware that he was being filmed. Then, a few moments later, he finally notices the camera, gets mad, and storms away.
No. But that's what that is. I'm trying to see if they got this there, but they don't. I don't know.
Take a look at this incredibly creepy man caught on camera in the middle of the night. This person's brand new iPhone was just delivered 15 minutes ago, but they won't be able to use it because this crook walks up to the porch and takes it for himself. Watch this creep stealing a bike from a fenced yard. Take a look at this weirdo running up to this door, knocking, and then running away. At approximately 6 p.m. on Friday, November 18th, the uploader was asked by a tenant to check the cameras for a package that was delivered at 4 p.m. by Amazon. The package in question was scanned as delivered. Then, just a few moments later, this package thief comes and steals it. Watch this thief go through this unlocked car in the middle of the night. This thief was caught on camera stealing from a front porch and running away. He almost slips and falls horribly, but gets away with it in the end. On January 30th of 2019, these weird people were caught on camera dumping some food on this front porch. This person caught a crook on their Ring doorbell camera stealing some printer ink, of all things, at their home in California. Take a look at this video of an incredibly lazy delivery driver mistreating this customer's packages. This Amazon delivery driver was too lazy to simply place the customer's package on the porch, so he instead decided to throw it. Not only did this Amazon delivery driver throw this customer's package on the front porch, he then proceeds to steal it for himself. The uploader writes, yesterday afternoon, 2 men on bikes rode up and stole Amazon packages not long after they were delivered.
Just flagging for others to be aware.
Look at this fool who thinks this front yard is a great parking spot for his truck. Take a look at this guy scoping out this house creepily before eventually deciding to steal a package. However, he then notices that he's being filmed by a doorbell camera, so he puts the package back. This homeless man came onto this porch, looking around and taking things. This creepy guy approaches 2 different houses.
Heads up on the knapsack, people are weaponizing anything they can get their hands on.
Hey, what's up? Oh, I was gonna see if my friend was awake. Oh, that's okay. Sorry, didn't mean to bother you. Have a good night.
This TikToker shared this video and wrote, "Beware. Classy lady helps herself to the whole basket. Makes me sad because I ran into her getting candy with her family, so it's not like they didn't have enough. Hopefully, she's not from the neighborhood. Also, does she disappear in the end? Weird." This TikToker writes, "Tried to break into neighbor's house. This guy armed with a fire extinguisher tried to break into my neighbor's house. A neighbor said, I also have videos of him trying to break into our apartment. He is always walking around Gower and Franklin." Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This strange woman was caught casing this place. This woman spent 15 minutes ringing the doorbell and banging on the screen door. She then went down the driveway to the backyard.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, there is. And the windows are open. Oh, wait a minute. Let me take the plate back.
Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.